Managing people can be really difficult, and building the right culture can be even harder. As leaders, we're pretty time poor. We have to look after our own work as well as trying to keep our staff on track and performing at their best. But when you know a little about the science of high performance, you can make this job a little bit easier. My name's Tony Wilson, and I've spent the last 15 years working with elite athletes, sporting teams, and corporate teams all around the world. Most importantly, I'm an expert in performance science, and in our upcoming session, you're going to discover a whole lot about your own performance and your staff's performance as well. I'm going to show you the keys to engagement and how we manage people so they can do their best work every single day. You'll start to understand the science behind why people perform at their best and why often they don't. And you'll start to see why people sometimes choose really unproductive behaviours, often at the times when we need them to be at their best. But most of all, you're going to learn how, as a leader, you have an unbelievable influence on staff performance and the behaviours that people choose. I'm really looking forward to starting this series, and I hope to see you at the presentation to kick this program off. And who knows, you might just learn something about your own productivity and how you can perform a little better every single day. We need to be able to stop people from doing the easy, comfortable thing and get them to do the harder thing.
For someone who might be able to help us answer that question is workplace management expert Tony Wilson.
The only zone where we can think at our best, make great decisions, and control our emotions and behaviours is right in this performance zone.